Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jessie, and I was generated by artificial intelligence. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to create a speaking avatar just like me. Go to Midjourney and create an account if you don't already have one. You can generate the first 25 images on Midjourney for free. If you wanted to create more, you would have to upgrade your account. Once you are in your account, select one of the rooms from the left-hand side. In the room, you will see the creations of other users. You can see not only their creations but also their prompts, so you can get some inspiration. To generate an image, type / and select the first option. Then, type a prompt for the creation of your avatar. This is the prompt that generated me. Hit enter and wait till your image gets generated. Midjourney always generates for images. By clicking on V, you can generate a variation for a specific image. Let's create a variation for image number 1. Wait till your variations get generated, and scroll down to see the results. Our variations look almost identical. Let's upscale image number 3 by clicking on U3. You will again have to wait till Midjourney generates the upscaled version of your image. After that, click on the image and save it. Go to the ChatGPT website and create a prompt for creating your script. Wait till the script is generated and then copy it. ChatGPT is still a free tool, but due to its enormous popularity, it is available only when demand is low. If you wanted the tool to be always available, you would have to upgrade to a Plus plan. My voice was generated by a text-to-speech tool from Murphai. Let's generate the voice for the script we created with ChatGPT. Murphai has over 120 voices to choose from, so you will always find a suitable voice for your project. My voice was generated by Ava, so let's select it for this example as well. I have already pasted our script. This is how it sounds. Hey there! Welcome to my channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm all about helping you make money online. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, build a business from scratch, or just earn a little extra cash, you're in the right place. Sounds good. Now let's export and download the file. Murphai is not a free tool. They have a free plan, but it does not allow you to download your work. Their cheapest basic plan costs $29 a month or $19 when you purchase a yearly plan. If you don't want to pay for a text-to-speech tool, there are some free alternatives with less realistic voices. For example, you can try readloud.net.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Jessie and I'm all about helping you make money online.
The next step is removing the background from our avatar picture so that after we generate the video, we can add our own background. To remove the background, you can use a free tool like remove.bg. Now we are ready to animate our character. We will use a website called did.com. Once you log in, click on Create a Video and upload your avatar. Next, we have to upload our script. You can see that did.com has its own basic text-to-speech tool that you can also use. I will click on Upload Voice Audio and upload the file from Murphai. Then we will click on Generate Video and wait till our video gets generated. Let's look at the result. Hey there! Welcome to my channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm all about helping you make money online. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, build a business from scratch, or just earn a little extra cash, you're in the right place. You can try did.com for free. Free accounts have 20 credits. Each credit is worth up to 15 seconds of video, so you can generate up to 5 minutes overall. As you can see, did.com is quite expensive. For their cheapest light plan, you would get just 10 minutes. There are currently only a few tools like did.com, so the companies can keep the prices high. However, the prices will go lower once there is more competition. Subscribe to the channel so that you are among the first to know when that happens. I will publish more videos like this one.